Welcome back to MyDan Computer Trading Channel. You've already mastered the basics of editing in CapCut. Now it's time to step up and learn advanced techniques. Today, we're starting with something powerful, multi-layer editing. This is how pros add overlays, text, effects, and multiple clips all in one project. If you've ever wondered how creators make videos look polished and dynamic, this is it. Before we dive in, make sure to like, subscribe, and share so you don't miss the rest of this advanced series. Now, let's get to editing. First things first, what are layers? Well, in CapCut, each element of video, audio, text, sticker, effect sits on its own layer in the timeline. Think of it like stacking paper. The top layers show over the bottom ones. Now, let's try adding an overlay. Tap Overlay, choose a clip, and it appears on a new layer above the main video. This is great for picture-in-picture, reaction videos, or B-roll. But what about audio? Can you add that on multiple tracks? Absolutely. Just tap the plus icon on the audio track, select another track, and now you can add background music on one track and voiceover on another. This is a great way to make your edits sound richer and more professional. What about text? How do you add that on top of your video? Easy. When you place the text layer on the timeline, it automatically sits on a new layer above your video layer. That's why you can move, animate, and edit the text without affecting the video underneath. Now here's a pro tip. Layer order matters. If something is on top, it will be visible over what's below it. So if you have a title or logo, always put it on the top layer to ensure it stands out. Let me show you a quick example. Here I have a main video with a simple title, but it looks boring, right? Let's bring it to life by adding a few layers. I'm gonna use B-roll as an overlay, add some text for a title, and even throw in a fun emoji for a little pizzazz. Oh, and don't forget the music. A catchy tune can really set the mood and make your video more engaging. So there you have it. By using multiple layers, you can create a video that looks dynamic and professional. Now that you know the basics of multi-layer editing, it's time to take it to the next level. Next time, we'll dive deep into overlay editing, green screen, blending, and more, where you'll unlock some truly cinematic effects. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, subscribe, and share. And let me know in the comments, what is the first creative idea you want to try with multi-layer editing? Thanks for joining me today, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next episode.